This is the method I like to use for waistbands. I'm using a 1-inch wide knitted no-roll elastic. To keep it simple and reduce bulk at the waist, just push the two ends together and join with a wide zigzag. Go back and forth over it a few times to make sure it catches both ends and forms a good join. Now jump over to your overlocker. With the magic of video, I've already marked the quarter points on the elastic and the waistband on these camo leggings, and I've clipped the two layers together. If you can disengage your overlocker blade, do so, otherwise just be careful not to cut the elastic. I'm gently stretching the elastic only, not the fabric. It's just enough to fit the two layers together and stitch down with your overlocker. It gives a neat edge that we can fold over. I prefer to use a zigzag on my sewing machine to stitch it down. There's no need to stretch now, just fold over and keep smooth, just being careful not to catch the fabric underneath. I'm using a white thread here so you can see the stitches. There, that's an elastic waistband. So much easier than a casing and very comfortable to wear as the elastic doesn't roll or move around.